Srila Prabhupada, in the age of 70, from India he came to New York, America, New York, and he established 1965 registered ISKCON. ISKCON means International Society for Krishna Consciousness. That time, most of the devotees, means Srila Prabhupada, initially he seated in park and started this Harinam Sankirtan. Just few minutes back, altogether whatever we have done, Srila Prabhupada under the trees is seated, and not this mridanga, small dhalak, and he seated there, and he used to kirtan, he used to this Hare Krishna Mahamantra, he used to chant. Then these foreigners, means those who are sitting there, mostly dark, they used to take these darks and so many things they used to take, and they don't know what this old person is doing. And they used to tell, what Srila Prabhupada, what you are doing? Then he used to tell, please sit here, or you want to dance, you can dance. After that, Srila Prabhupada used to call them, used to give the food items. Srila Prabhupada never preached about Krishna consciousness, any philosophy earlier. So Srila Prabhupada used to call them, not any like pizza, pops or burger. Instead of that, Srila Prabhupada used to give rice, dal, sabji, halwa, all these things. Just by taking that, they become devotees. Then slowly, devotees, they started joining Srila Prabhupada movement, that is ISKCON. That time, in newspaper, they heard that 133 acres land, they are giving, lease in the midst of the West Virginia hill. That time, Srila Prabhupada, to stalwart devotees, their name is Hayagriva and Kirtananda Maharaj. Srila Prabhupada from New York, they sent them, please go and see how was the place. Now, whatever, New Vrindavan, this one. They came, they saw, and they liked it, and they gone back and asked Srila Prabhupada that what we will do, that hill area, what we will do there. Then Srila Prabhupada says that we can make like, in India there is a Vrindavan, just like if you go to New York and America, England, like the different names are there. So Srila Prabhupada want to make this America also like replica of India Vrindavan. That's why they made New Vrindavan. And Srila Prabhupada says that we can make like a farm community house, farm community, and some cow protection, all these things. We can build there. Then Srila Prabhupada says that why we can purchase, instead of taking lease, we can purchase the whole land. Then these two devotees, they said we won't have enough fund. How we can purchase? That time, George Harrison from London, is a great singer, also in America, also famous. He supported for purchasing this land. Also other devotees from different parts, they supported, and instead of taking this lease, they purchased 133 acres, this land. Now whatever you are seeing, this is New Vrindavan. From here 15 minutes down, that is Old Vrindavan. A small, farmhouse. There only they installed small deity. It was here only, Radha Vrindavan Nath. They installed there, and because of that time, no electricity, no water. They have taken so much austere, so much penance, because no bore water, no electricity. They used to go down from buckets. They used to take the water, and they used to do whatever their things, and they used to go for preachings. Like that they started, and like this small hut will be there, and there only 15 brahmachari devotees, they stayed together. So difficult, this much place only. Srila Prabhupada also came 3 times here. When Srila Prabhupada came, Srila Prabhupada stayed 1 month here. Then these devotees, they are thinking, see, like we are all Sanatanis, we know, when our house, Acharya comes, we give the first class hospitality. Same way they are also thinking that Srila Prabhupada came, we are unable to give. At least one small house we can build. That time Srila Prabhupada, disciples, now they are disciples, that time they are devotees. They are mostly 10th pass or 10th fail. Srila Prabhupada used to call them hippies. Because they don't know what is the goal of our life. They are loitering here and there. Srila Prabhupada, because of chanting, prasadam and philosophy, they become now sannyasi, and they are great devotees. So Srila Prabhupada used to call them hippies, and these hippies become happies by association of Srila Prabhupada. So they seated together. They not hired any engineer, because mostly 10th pass or 10th fail. They seated that we'll make one house. That's how the Palace of Gold came. While under the construction, that time Srila Prabhupada came. But later, Srila Prabhupada gone back to Goloka Vrindavan. So they started this one, and that time also, while this gold, this Palace of Gold, they started. That time also, enough, not enough fund, all these things there. Then Mataji also started joining the ISKCON here. This new Vrindavan Dham. So they started some hand making, some jeans pant, all these things are selling. Prabhujis, they are going outside for preaching, collecting funds. That's how Palace of Gold came. Earlier I heard some gold, it was made of gold, but later they taken out. Now we can see some gold paints up there. And inside still, gold remnants are there. And when you will go different countries, they brought so many costumes, so many things are there. And when you go, Srila Prabhupada disciples is there, they give the tour inside. And right side there is a rose garden, and behind there is a lotus pond. Now, US government, they put it in the 14th position as a tourist attraction. So those foreigners, they comes, they have, they take the pictures in rose garden or Palace of Gold, they go back. But we all Sanatanis, we know, for our first thing is this temple. First you have to have darshan Radha Vrindavan Chandra. Then you can go to palace. That is Smriti Samadhi, that is palace. And here Srila Prabhupada said, this new Vrindavan and India Vrindavan, there is no difference. Whatever benefit you will get in India Vrindavan, same thing also you will get here. Because Acharyas came and given that commitment. And we also have here like Kusum Sarovar, Manasi Ganga, Radha Kund, Sam Kund, all the temples, 7 major temples now. Radha Gopinath temple under construction, then Madan Mohan, all the things are there. When you go, then you can understand. We are having the maps, all these things, how to go, all these things. Just 15-20 minutes. Just 15-20 minutes, then you can go back. So when you go first, there is an elephant sculpture, and one bulls and oxen is there. That elephant, in 1986, they used to have one elephant. Her name was Malini. That's why you can see temple doors are very big, huge. She used to come early morning 7:30, that is called Darshanarati. That time Guru Puja used to happen. That elephant used to enter, offer the garland to Srila Prabhupada, but after some time she passed away. That's why the devotees for remembrance made a sculpture, also tourist attraction. And 1969, they purchased one Gomata, her name was Kalia. And later it was, then one bull also there, Dharma. Then later when you go, there is a lake that is called Kusum Sarovar. Kusum Sarovar means in India, just like in India our Vrindavan,